Your car into a fighter jet? You want a fighter jet? That's even more fun.
Runway 10 right, Quebec and Juliet.
We're clear for takeoff. Whether you're going 40, 50, 60, 30, 20, it doesn't matter. Sound effects are optional. But the cool part is you also have an accelerometer, obviously, as well as you can see a gyroscope in here that shows when you're turning, your angles, and everything else. I think it's pretty awesome. The fixed app is amazing. And on top of being able to turn your vehicle into a fighter jet, you know what else you can do? Actually see what's wrong with your car. Got more videos coming soon on that.